Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform model at l'University University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our 15th lecture titled What is Cryptocurrency? So I have divided my 15th lecture into the following elements as follows. What is cryptocurrency? Main types of cryptocurrency, language activities, including your grammar, pronunciation, and building vocabulary, final assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. So, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that can circulate without the centralized authority of bank or government. So, cryptocurrency is a digital that is meant to be a medium of exchange. Kinds of cryptocurrencies or main types of cryptocurrency. Uh, some popular ones are Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Zach. But Bitcoin is considered the first cryptocurrency created. Language activities, the phrase receive the title of refers to the accepting of a new title or designation, especially in a corporate company. The phrase receive the title of is very important to understand when using it to refer to moving up in a company. Here are a few sentences that help you in deciding on how you can use the phrase to in your daily life. Malik received the title of CRO in his company. Hassan received the title of Chief Actuary Officer in his business. Finally, and last element, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.